Back to another video. It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the crew. If you're new, do me a quick favor, huge favor to the channel. I definitely would appreciate if you hit the like button as well as the bell icon. Also hit the subscribe button on your way in. I extremely appreciate that gesture for supporting us and for helping us out. But right, we're gonna be talking about a pair of earbuds, the Hipods H2. So let's go ahead and review the Hipods H2. Go ahead and check these out. We're also going to go ahead and unbox and review them. Check them out for the first time. Same time that I'm seeing this is the same time as you are, right? So I haven't seen these before, so these are supposed to be really good as far as the earbuds, and they're really affordable, right? So I've heard a lot of good things about these ones. They do also offer deep bass as well, and they come in two different colors, white and black. So you can get them in two different colors, and they also do give you a 20% coupon. So you're gonna basically spend close to nothing for these earbuds, but they're gonna offer you stereo sound, smart touch, and we do get volume controls on these guys. We also do get 6 hours of battery life. We also do get 30 hours with the charging case and 2 hours to charge these guys. They also work with iOS and Android, and they also have Bluetooth 5.0 case. So that's pretty much straightforward. If you ever need to hold on to these, because it's pretty easy to get those lost, just keep it inside the box. And then we also do get a Type-C cord for charging them, and some ear tips as well for getting a perfect fit when we're trying to put these in. So let's just see. We get some smaller ear tips right here. So large and small. You would have to take them out of the case, and there is going to be some tape on these guys that you'll have to remove automatically. So then you could just remove that from the eardrum. And you can see the eardrum does have a nice ergonomic shape to it. It does appear to look really nice, and it does have a nice size on there. I believe these are about 10 millimeter drivers. I'm not sure, but correct me if I'm wrong, but these look to be really good size drivers here. I have the tape still connected to my finger, and you can see right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in my ear right now, and let's first pair them up to the device. I still got the tape on my finger. So let's see. Let's see if this even has any juice in it, right? Let me put these in my ear. And so I could barely hear anything. I'm gonna try to turn these on. Okay, it says power on, pairing. And now when I'm looking at my phone, it says that there's the TECNO Highpods H2 right here. So you get these extra ear tips in it, and my lips, it's hard for me to hear exactly what I'm saying because the passive noise cancellation in my ear, they're at 50%. So they do need a battery charge. So I have a brick here, so we can actually get that going. I'll charge these to the brick. And what I'm gonna do is actually go to YouTube, and let's just play some. I'm gonna look for like a talking head, right? I'm gonna look for a talking head video, something that's just on here, any video, right? So I'm listening to them right now as we speak on YouTube, and there's an ad, so let's skip that. Okay, so let's just look at this. All right, so the lips do match the words perfectly with that. Let's go into the music, and we'll test out some music for a little bit. I'm gonna test out the volume controls, and then we'll test out the microphones on these and see if the sound is any good. I'm also gonna charge the charging case right now. And when the charging case is in, you can see that it's charging, and that this doesn't even light up when it's charging. So I was expecting that to light up, but I don't see any light coming from there right now. So I guess those are charging right now. So let's go ahead and listen to some music right now. I was listening to some let's just listen to some indie rock. Let me see if I have some controls here. So let's test out the controls. One tap. is your volume. So one tap is your volume. I really like that. I'm going all the way up to see how that sounds. Two taps. Two taps is pause. So I could barely hear what I'm saying right now. I'm gonna long press it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 3 taps is skip the song. So these sound really, really good, right? On the highs, you don't miss out on any of the bass or the instruments. There's also really good clarity throughout the whole track, right? And you can hear, there is a little bit of leakage coming out of these earbuds, but they sound really good when it comes to the music. Let me skip to some hip hop. And I can barely hear what I'm saying right now, right? Let's go to 30, but this is one of my favorite songs right now, recently coming out. The voices sound really good. It would definitely help if this had an equalizer where you could EQ the sound, but it's actually tuned very well. The drivers are tuned extremely well on these. And if you have a TECNO device, you will see a pop-up feature. Alright guys, I'm gonna actually test out the microphones right now so you can hear these right now. Okay guys, so this is the microphones coming out of these TECNO Highpods H2 headphones, right? No strings. It says right here, non-stop music 24 hours. So this is how the microphones would sound if it was connected to maybe a smartphone and I was talking through the headphones. And right now I am in a quiet environment where I'm in my office, so it's not too many noises around me. So very isolated area, but this is how it would actually sound if I was probably in my bedroom or something like that right now. Mics. Alright guys, so let me know how the overall sound is on the microphones, and I definitely can say that for music and for videos, these are really, really good, especially the overall controls on the earbuds. You're actually getting volume controls. You're also getting skip forward and back, pause and play, and you're also getting really, really good sound quality. Not on the highs, you don't miss out on any of the bass or treble, but it doesn't also miss out on any of the instruments and vocals. So everything blends together really well, and you're getting a nice blend of audio when it comes out of the earbuds. And I could definitely say that the passive noise cancellation is good on these in-ear monitors because they go all the way inside of the ear canal and give you a nice fit. And also you get these extra ear tips where you can take them out, put them back in to get the right fit for you. You get this clamshell style case with these really nice earbuds as well, and they do have an LED light on the earbuds. Wow, I could definitely hear myself a lot better. And if you wanted to know if you could put one in at a single time, you can do that. You can put the right one in or the left one in at a single time in the case, and it will let you do that. So that's really cool, and you also do get the ability to control them with the nice touchpad, and it's very responsive on the touchpad. So hopefully you did find this video helpful. I definitely can say that the TECNO Highpods H2s are really good earbuds for the budget price point. I'm going to leave a link down below so you can save a lot of money when you purchase these. But I'll get right back with you, and I'll see you guys in the comment section